domain redirection in the Vercel. Okay, so most of the time you can see that your website is not redirecting from your non-www version to www, or vice versa, whichever your is main, like your main domain. Okay, so for the Apache you can do .shtcs file. For the nginx you can configure nginx config file. And for Vercel, either you can create a Vercel.json file, or you can just open your project, click here on domain, add your new domain, and either you can select this recommended version, or you can do the vice versa, like this, like redirect to another domain that is main portfolio website. It can be 301 permanently redirection, and say it's done. Thanks for watching the video.